How to turn on camera flash on iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the camera application on your phone. It allows users to take photos, videos, live photos, portraits, panoramas, and more, with options to adjust settings like flash, night mode, and zoom. You are now in the iPhone camera screen. On this screen, go to the top and tap on the arrow in the middle. Now, go to the options below and swipe left. Here, tap on the flash icon as shown. If you want to turn on camera flash, then select on. The camera flash has several uses, primarily to add light in low-light situations or to freeze motion, but it can also be used creatively to eliminate shadows or create special effects. Following these steps, you can easily turn on camera flash on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.